Thanks for joining us. Republicans and Democrats alike are condemning racially charged comments President Donald Trump made about immigrants.
It happened yesterday during a bipartisan meeting to discuss a plan to provide protection to DACA recipients. The president reportedly said, quote, "Why are we having all these people from expletive-hole countries come here?" A source tells CBS News Trump was referring to immigrants from Africa, Haiti, and El Salvador. At an event today to honor Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., the president ignored reporters' questions about the comment. On Twitter, he denied using vulgar language, but said he did use tough language at the DACA meeting. Reaction is poured in from Congress and lawmakers here in Minnesota. As WCCO's Jennifer Mayerle reports, they are condemning the comments.
It didn't take long for lawmakers to send a fury of tweets in response to President Trump's comments. The first Somali American state representative, Ilan Omar, used the hashtag #RacistInChief. The Democrat tweeted she is not ashamed of the country where she was born. It goes on to say, "But make no mistake, I am ashamed, disturbed, and outraged that the leader of the United States can't see beyond his own embarrassing privilege to embrace the diversity that has made this country great for generations." Members of President Trump's own party expressed outrage on social media. Republican U.S. Representative Eric Paulson tweeted, "It is completely inappropriate for the president to refer to other countries in the manner in which he reportedly did." And the congressman said he hopes the White House apologizes. Democratic Representative Tim Walz said, "This is racism, plain and simple, and we need to call it that. My Republican colleagues need to call it that, too." U.S. Senator Amy Klobuchar called the comment disrespectful. The Democrat says she's helped Minnesota families adopt children from Haiti.
For them, I can't even imagine what this is like to hear this language. I'm not surprised that these ambassadors have resigned. And it also hurts our image across the world when we talk like that.
The junior U.S. Senator Tina Smith also weighed in.
I think that the president's hateful and divisive rhetoric ought to be condemned. I think everybody ought to condemn it.
Jennifer Mayerle, WCCO 4 News.
There will be much more on these comments and reaction from across the country coming up next on the CBS Evening News with Jeff Glor.